In this video, I will be demonstrating how our spray module works. The spray module is a useful tool for demonstrating safe farm practices. This is also a tool that can be used to create work reports for workers. The first step is to see if the chemical you are using is in the chemical list. Click on the Farm Manager button and select chemical from the list. On this page, you'll see a large list of chemicals. You are able to make any changes and make a new version of the chemical, or if you don't see the chemical you'll be using, you can always add in a new chemical. Fill out the information that is applicable to that chemical. It is important that you add the pre-harvest interval and the re-entry interval dates. Once you've filled in all the information, click the Add button, and the chemical will be added to the list and available to use in your spray events. You are able to make changes and create a new version of the chemicals by clicking the View button underneath the Action column of the chemical. On the top right, click Create My Own Version. You will then be presented with the chemical editor. Make any changes you would like and then click Add. You have now created a copy of the chemical and you can use that for your spray events. Treatment templates is another feature on the spray module that saves time when coming up with spray plans. This is a great feature if you need to standardize how your sprays will be applied. You can set up templates and then a user is able to select a template and it pre-populates the chemicals to be applied. The first step is to click on the Growing tab and scroll down and click Treatment Templates. They are not intended as recommendations. You need to verify that the treatment matches with what you're going to spray. You can add in your own treatment template by clicking the blue button, Add New Treatment. From here, you will enter a treatment name, description, and source. Add the trade name, amount, and rate of each chemical in the tank mix, and optionally select a pre-calibrated sprayer. Select target pests and growth stages. Click the Show Hide to reveal target pests and growth stages selection for each crop variety. Scroll to the top of the page and click the Save button. Now you have a template that you and your users will be able to use. If you'd like to use a spray template, click the drop-down button and you have the option to record as a spray or spray plan. This will fill out most of the information needed to record a spray. In the next part of this video, I will be demonstrating how to record a spray and spray plan. Now that your chemicals are all set, you can record a spray. Click on the Growing tab. If you're recording a past spray, click Record a Spray. When you complete it, the record is locked. If you're recording a new spray, make sure it is correct. I would suggest to use Spray Plan, which is something that will happen in the future and you'll need to confirm when it has been sprayed. The process of recording a spray and spray plan is very similar. I will be demonstrating how to record a spray plan. Click on Record a Spray Plan. Recording a spray is a quick and easy 4-step process. The first step is adding the spray details. You're able to track this event by optionally giving it a title and category. Set up the spray start and end date. You can include the exact time it is happening or happened. You're able to fill out the information on the reason for your spray, the growth stage, and the pests you're targeting. If you do not see a growth stage for your crop, do not hesitate to let us know in the chat on the right of the screen. Updating information like the actual real time of the spray and the real weather will allow for future analysis of spray conditions and outcomes later in the season. Once you've filled in all the information needed, click Next. The next step is picking out where you're doing the spray. You can choose either by clicking on the block or choosing the crop or the variety. Click Next. After choosing the location, the next step is to fill in the information about the chemicals that are being used. You're able to select what unit of measure will be used in the spray calculations. You can select as many chemicals as you need to perform the spray. To add more, you'll click More Lines. The next step is to add the information about the sprayer that is being used. Once you fill in this information, it will save the information about the sprayer. Your sprayers can be set up as a master data in the equipment section within Croptracker. This way, they are able to be selected in the drop-down, and then a series of fields are pre-populated. For health and safety purposes, we have added a tool where you can put in the information about the worker that is performing the spray. Once everything is recorded in the What section, you're able to move on to the last step. The last step is confirming the information you inputted is correct. At the very top, you're able to select if you'd like an email about the pre-harvest intervals and the re-entry interval dates. At the top, it will inform you about the number of tanks that will be needed to spray. This is calculated from the amount of chemicals needed to spray the block and how much the tank on the sprayer can hold. You are always able to override any of the numbers if you feel that is best. If you did override the numbers and want to go back, you can select Reset to Calculated Amounts, and it will change the calculated numbers to the ones it was before. You can add any notes or comments about the event. When you click Save, it will bring you back to the dashboard page. On here, you'll be able to see the new spray record you made. If you recorded it as a spray plan, you will need to select Sprayed when the spray has been done. If you have done the spray plan as planned, you can select Yes, I applied the spray plan as planned. If you want to verify and/or make changes, select Verify/Edit. If you're looking to send this as a report for auditing or sending to a third party, you are able to print the report with or without the chemical labels by pressing the Print button. The report will look like the following if you choose not to print with the chemical labels. If you choose with the chemical labels, it will have all the information under the report. And that is how you record a spray. Thank you for watching.